Okay, comrades, I am Daniel Okola. I'm going to be taking you through the Shannon-Weiner Diversity Index. So, as you are seeing there, the first point we are having is saying estimates the diversity of species within a community. So that is one of the things that Shannon-Weiner Diversity Index does. And the second of all is that it calculates the species richness and their relative abundance or evenness. So here is our equation. I can call it equation or expression. So the H is standing for the diversity index for Shannon, which is given as the summation of pi times log of pi, and after getting the summation, you multiply it by -1 to get positive answers. And here in the description, where you see H, that is standing for Shannon Diversity Index, and then where you see pi, it is standing for proportion of individuals with the species in a whole community. And then the pi itself is expressed as small n all over the big N, the capital N, where the small n is standing for individuals of a species, and then the capital N is standing for total number of individuals in a community. You get it? If you don't get it, ask for a pardon. We go ahead. Now we are going to move over a worked example, and the example is saying, imagine we need to assess the species diversity in a part of a rainforest. We know that 5 scarlet macaws, 13 blue morpho butterflies, and then 2 capybaras, and then 5 three-toed sloths, and 1 jaguar live in the region we are interested in. And then here is a simple table that you should draw to make your work be systematic. We have the species, we have the number of individuals expressed as small n, and then we have the proportion, which is pi, expressed as n all over capital N, and then we have in in bracket pi, and then pi times pi, and then we come here, we write down the various species that we have got, which is s, which is okay, they are there, you can read them over. We put there the values, and then this the number of individuals. Let's leave there a bit. We go to how to calculate, the procedure. The first procedure is saying you calculate the proportion of each species, and then you divide the number of individuals in a species by the total number of individuals in the community. And then the second procedure is saying for each species multiply the proportion by the logarithm of the proportion. Let's first calculate the proportion of each species. Now here, the proportion of each species, we are having here 5 for macaw, and then the 5, we put that 5 out of 25, and then we get 0.2. That is for the proportion. We go back to the procedure, and then after getting the proportion for each species, we go on and sum all the numbers from the step above, from that step 2 that you have just seen. And then after everything, we go and multiply the sum by -1, just to ignore the negative signs, because the result has to be positive. And here we have gotten our Shannon-Weiner Diversity Index to be 1.3, which is already rounded. And now the description here says, when the figure is 0, it shows that there is nothing like the diversity. It shows that there is no diversity. And then the higher the index, the more diverse the species are in the habitat. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you subscribe and get to watch more videos that are going to be uploaded in the nearby future. Thank you so much. I still remain Daniel Okola, student of Makerere University, second year, pursuing bachelor's in environmental science. Thank you. Have a great time.